Located in the 24-hour guard-gated Rolling Hills Estates in Fallbrook sits the magnificent property 5 Rollingview Lane. Set on 2.6 acres, this custom residence offers a unique opportunity to own a luxurious home in a private countryside setting. Featuring 4 bedrooms, as well as a bonus room, 5.5 baths, and over 6,000 square feet of immaculate living spaces, the home is truly one of a kind. With pecan wood flooring, an extra-large family room with a wall of glass showcasing the panoramic hillside views, and a gourmet chef's kitchen with over $150,000 in upgrades, the home's interiors have been beautifully updated. Dual staircases lead to the master retreat, complete with a balcony overlooking the breathtaking pastures and a spa-inspired master bath. An additional 3 bedrooms, as well as a bonus room, provide plenty of space for all of your needs. Enjoy the impeccable grounds, featuring a sparkling pool and spa, newly built barn, owned solar, and a private well to water the lush pastures and flowing pond. This equestrian estate provides rare direct access to private riding trails, as well as access to the community's tennis and equestrian facilities. With the perfect combination of old-world charm and modern convenience, this impressive property is idyllic in every way.